Ford to replace Tesla NACS adapters. Ford has announced that customers should no longer use the North American charging standard NACS adapters that it initially shipped to electric vehicle EV owners, now saying the hardware could cause charging speed issues. This week, Ford issued a post on its website warning customers to avoid using the Tesla NACS adapters it previously sent to EV owners, noting that it could result in port damage and a potential reduction in charging speeds over time. The automaker says it will send customers a replacement NACS adapter in the coming weeks, along with having them return their original equipment. Ford writes as follows on its website: as a part of ongoing testing, your adapter has been identified by Ford to have a potential issue that may result in reduced charging speeds over time, and in some cases charge port damage. As such, Ford does not recommend using the adapter initially supplied to you with any vehicle from this time on, and we will be sending you a replacement. At the time of writing, Ford has not yet responded to teslarati's request for comment on the issue. Ford EV owners were the first non-Tesla drivers to gain access to the vast Tesla supercharger network in late February, at which point the automaker began supplying customers with the NACS adapters. Weeks following Ford, Rivian's EVs also gained access to the supercharger network, and General Motors GM has also joined in the months since. The news also comes after Ford recently launched a free home charging program, dubbed the Power Promise Program, which offers EV owners a free home charger and installation with purchases of a Mustang Mach-E, F-150 Lightning, or E-Transit. Like many legacy automakers, Ford has had to pump the brakes on its EV strategy throughout much of this year, as sales growth has slowed for its battery electric offerings. The company is still aiming to launch new EVs in the coming years, though it will do so slowly, scaling back on EV investments and commitments, and ultimately trying to focus on reaching profitability with its current models. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.